Hello everyone, and welcome back to Jasmine Paper Crafts. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make a beautiful violet and pink paper Wallmate, a perfect decor piece to brighten up any space. If you're a fan of simple, elegant crafts that can instantly transform a room, this is for you. Before we start, let's go over the materials you'll need for this project. You'll need violet and pink colored paper. Choose any texture you like, but I'm using regular craft paper today. Scissors, glue or double-sided tape, a ruler, a pencil for marking, string or ribbon if you want to hang the Wallmate. It's a simple list, and most of these items you probably already have at home. Now let's dive into the process. First, take your violet and pink paper. Depending on how large or small you want your Wallmate, you'll need to cut the paper into equal strips. I'm cutting mine into strips about 4 inch wide. Use your ruler and pencil to measure out the strips before cutting, so they are nice and even. The combination of violet and pink gives a soft, yet striking contrast that will make the design pop on any wall. Once you have your strips ready, it's time to fold. We're going to make paper loops with these strips. Take one strip, form it into a loop, and glue or tape the ends together. Repeat this process for all the strips of both colors. These loops will become the petals of our Wallmate. Now, this is where the fun part comes in arranging the petals. Start by making a flower shape with your loops. You can alternate between violet and pink, placing one violet loop, followed by one pink loop, and so on. Glue them together at the base, making sure they're evenly spaced to create a balanced, symmetrical look. If you want to add more layers, just repeat this process and create a larger, more dimensional Wallmate. Once your flower-shaped Wallmate is complete, you can add a little creativity. Maybe place a small decorative piece in the center of your flower, like a bead or a small paper rosette. This gives the Wallmate an extra flair. If you want to hang it, simply attach a ribbon or string to the back using glue. And there you have it, a simple, yet stunning violet and pink paper Wallmate. That's perfect for adding a touch of color and charm to any space. Whether you want to hang it on your wall, use it as a backdrop for a special event, or give it as a handmade gift, this Wallmate is versatile and customizable. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this project, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for follow more paper craft ideas.